Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download your LinkedIn network connections list, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download your LinkedIn network connections list, start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Once logged in, navigate to the top of the page and click on the Me icon. This icon is located in the top right corner of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, find and click on the Data Privacy section in the left sidebar. Next, look for the option labeled Get a copy of your data. Click on this option to proceed. You will now see a list of data types available for download. Select Connections to specifically download your network connections list. If you wish to download other types of data as well, you can check those options here. Once you have made your selections, click on the Request Archive button. LinkedIn may ask you to enter your credentials again for security verification. After verification, you will be informed that the request has been received. You will receive a notification when your data is ready for download. This notification will appear on your LinkedIn account as well. Once you receive the notification, return to the Get a copy of your data section. You will find a link to download your connections list under the Download section. Click on the download link to save the file to your device. The file will typically be in CSV format, which can be easily opened in spreadsheet software. Open the file to view your LinkedIn connections list. You will see the names, email addresses, and other relevant information of your connections. This completes the process of downloading your LinkedIn network connections list. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.